Hi again. In this video, we're going to cover the core concepts of the academic model. When the academic model team first met to begin the process of designing the model, we realized that we were often using the same words to refer to different things. We found that confusion often arose when we were discussing a particular element of the curriculum, and that this was because we would be talking about it from a number of different levels. We discovered that there is, in fact, a spectrum of perspectives in play that range from the abstract to the real, and from the general to the particular. Take, for instance, a particular course. When you think about it at the abstract level, you may be referring to the course's description in the academic calendar. You can also think about the course being scheduled in a given term or year. At the most particular level, you might be thinking of the actual lectures or assignments that are associated with that course. When we refer to a course like Math 100, we could mean any one of these three things. To avoid confusion, we need to be clear what we're talking about. We developed a rubric for these three levels as follows. At the most abstract level, we have learning opportunities. These are associated with a curriculum that has been approved for a course, a program, or a component of a program. Most often, the learning opportunities are represented in a course catalog or the academic calendar. Then we have learning instances. This is where the learning opportunity is scheduled or offered. When Math 100 is offered in the first term of winter 2015, this is a learning instance. The sections of lectures and labs associated with that offering of Math 100 are learning instances as well. Finally, we have learning activities. These are the assignments and activities through which a learner engages with the curriculum, and may include assessments and readings, as well as an individual lecture or lab activity. These core concepts, lowly LA for short, form the basis of the academic model. Learners engage with the curriculum at the level of the learning instances and the learning activities. In so doing, they form learning instance relationships and learning activity relationships. When Leo registers for Math 100, that's a learning instance relationship. When Leo attends a lecture of Math 100, that's a learning activity relationship. The data generated through these LIRs and LARs will form the basic elements of the learner's academic record. So, to recap, we can look at the curricular elements that form the core of the academic model from three perspectives that range from the more abstract to the more real. Learning opportunities are the curriculum as expressed in the academic calendar or catalog. Learning instances are when that curriculum is scheduled and or offered. And learning activities are the ways through which people engage with those curricular items. Where learners interact with the curriculum, learning instance relationships and learning activity relationships are formed. These relationships create the backdrop for the learner's academic record.